In this video, we will discuss creating parcels from objects. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file creating parcel from objects.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the working with this dataset video. Civil 3D makes it easy to take standard AutoCAD objects and convert them to parcels. To do so, navigate to the Create Design panel of the Home tab, Parcel dropdown, Create Parcel from Objects. At the command line window, notice you have options to choose lines, arcs, polylines to convert into parcels. Within our drawing, we actually have a polyline already there that defines the existing boundary of a parcel lot that we're going to actually subdivide into new parcels. Notice the option to create a parcel from an object that may be in an X reference. This is a very nice feature as it allows you to not have the actual drawing within the file, and you can then grab it to create a parcel object within the current file. We'll just go ahead and select the object, press enter, and now we're prompted to define settings and styles for the actual parcel. First, let's make sure we have this set to property for the style. For the parcel layer, let's go ahead and give it a suffix called existing. So we'll just go to suffix, and then we'll say -exist so that it's on its own unique layer. Click OK, and we'll do the same thing for the segment lines. For the area label style, we'll leave it set to parcel name for now. And for the line segment, let's go ahead and change this to iron pipe node label. Then for the curve segment label style, we'll just leave it set to delta over length and then automatically add segment labels. And we do want to erase the existing entities, but notice the option to not do so if you want to. Click OK, and now we have the parcel created. In fact, if you look here, we actually have 3 parcels because remember, with Civil 3D, parcels live in a site. As you can see here by the update, this site now contains 3 individual parcels because alignments live inside the parcel and the alignments are interacting with the geometry of the parcel. Let's look at parcel properties. Let's zoom in to our parcel, go ahead and select it, and navigate to the contextual ribbon and choose parcel properties. Notice how you can change the style right here if you want to. Notice the option to use a name template in the parcel style. So right now what's happening is it's using the actual name of the style to give it the name of the parcel. Let's copy this current selection, and let's go ahead and give this a name of property existing so that it goes on its own unique layer. Go to the display tab. We'll select both of these and put them on the C-prop-exist layer. Click OK, and now the parcel will go on that layer. Click OK, click Apply, and you'll notice now the name of the parcel actually becomes property existing. If you navigate to the Composition tab, you can change the area label. So let's just change this to name, square foot, and acres. Click Apply, and notice that in the file, it automatically grabs that style. Notice the statistics for the parcel. You can see the area and the perimeter. If you navigate to the Analysis tab, you can actually view the inverse and map check analysis here. You can select everything in here and then right-click copy to a text file. There's a faster way to do that, and we'll show you that in a second. Notice the option to define the point of beginning. If you click this Browse button here, you'll notice that it shows you where it is in the drawing by default. And if you want to actually change that, let's say to snap to this corner here, that is now the new POB, and your analysis will update automatically. User-defined properties give the opportunity to customize fields within your area labels. For instance, maybe this parcel is going to have a garage or some sort of user-defined label. You could add those in the Settings tab, and then you could add them into the area to update automatically. If you want to change the parcel number, you could change it here as well. Click OK, and that's parcel properties. If you wanted to select multiple parcels and have them update with a specific style, you can select multiple parcel styles, navigate to the Properties palette, and you'll notice here you can actually change it to the styles globally very nicely here, and it updates in the drawing automatically. Remember, any changes you make to any of the parcel segments will of course update the area labels and any of the segment labels as well. If you wanted to get your analysis out to a text file, you could right-click on the parcel and choose Export Analysis. This will then export the inverse analysis or map check analysis. You can then browse to a location to save the file.